Hello friends, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Research Science Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is de-challenge and re-challenge in pharmacovigilance. So before going to de-challenge and re-challenge, I will discuss about what is the action taken and what are the different actions taken. So action taken is the action taken on a drug with respect to the adverse event, means which type of the action taken on a drug after the occurrence of the adverse event. There are different actions can be taken. The drug can be withdrawn permanently, or the drug can be withdrawn temporarily. The dose of the drug can be increased or decreased, or the drug may be previously stopped before occurrence of the adverse event. Sometimes the action taken is not applicable, or the sometimes the action taken is unknown. Now we will discuss about de-challenge and re-challenge. So what is de-challenge? De-challenge means stopping of the drug after occurrence of the adverse event. The de-challenge may be a complete or partial. In complete de-challenge, the drug is completely stopped, and in partial de-challenge, the dose of the drug is reduced. There are two types of the de-challenge: positive de-challenge and negative de-challenge. In positive de-challenge, the adverse event is completely disappear after stopping the drug, and in negative de-challenge, the adverse event does not disappear after stopping the drug. Here we will take one example. Suppose there is a patient suffering from headache, and he take the ibuprofen for the treatment of headache, and after taking the ibuprofen, the rashes are developed in a patient. So after stopping the drug, if the rashes are disappear, then it is considered as a positive de-challenge, and if the rashes does not disappear after stopping a ibuprofen, then it is considered as a negative de-challenge. The de-challenge is not applicable in some cases. The de-challenge is not applicable in fetal outcome, or a de-challenge is not applicable if the patient taken the treatment for the adverse drugs reaction, and the de-challenge is not applicable if the patient discontinue the drug before occurrence of the adverse event, and the de-challenge is not applicable for a drug during the drug which are exposed during the pregnancy, and the de-challenge is not applicable in case of medical error and in case of a overdose. Now I will discuss about what is re-challenge. The re-challenge means restarting with the same drug which was previously discontinued because occurrence of the adverse event. For the de-challenge, for the re-challenge, the positive re-challenge is must necessary, because the re-challenge can be occurs only when if the positive de-challenge is occurred, means for the restarting of the drug, the adverse event must be previously stopped. So the re-challenge may be complete or partial. There are two types of the re-challenge: the positive re-challenge and negative re-challenge. In positive re-challenge, the adverse event is reappear after restarting with the same drug which was previously discontinued, and in negative re-challenge, the adverse event does not reappear after restarting with the same drug. So we will take a same example. The patient suffering from a headache, and he is administered with the ibuprofen for the treatment of headache and develop the skin rashes. Then the patient stop the drug, and after stopping the drug, the rashes are disappear. Then after some period of the time, the patient again restarted with the ibuprofen, and after restarting with the ibuprofen, if the adverse event or the skin rashes are reappear, then it is considered as a positive re-challenge. And if the rashes are not disappear, if the rashes are not reappear after restarting with the same drug, then it is called as a negative re-challenge. There is a specific scenario in which re-challenge is not applicable. The re-challenge is not applicable in medication error, overdose, and exposure during the pregnancy. So in this video, I have discussed about what is the de-challenge and what is the re-challenge. That's all about re-challenge and de-challenge. Thank you.